Hi friends, did you just get an essential oil starter kit from Young Living or want to? Well, I want to share with you something that's very timely about your kit. We're all staying home a lot right now, right? But this kit with the 12 oils has everything you need, just about everything you need to support any problem that may arise. So having your oils handy will help your family. But what I want to talk about today is this kind of secret compartment down here underneath the oils. There is something cool here. Did you see that? Hand sanitizer. So we're all looking for this, and it has 65% alcohol and only good ingredients, plant derived. So use your hand sanitizer, and I love this. The Thieves sanitizing spray also has 65% alcohol. I use this for door handles, light switches, and all those kind of things you want to surfaces you want to sanitize. So don't forget that about your starter kit. Also good stuff in here. Use your Thieves essential oil. That is timely for today to boost your wellness and health. All right, hope you like that tip.